Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the TP-Link Tapo Indoor Outdoor Home Security Wi-Fi Camera C120. This little device packs a punch with its impressive features, and I've spent some time testing it out. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the design. The Tapo C120 comes in a compact, puck-shaped design, measuring just 2.6 inches wide by 1.3 inches deep. It's got a sleek white finish with a glossy black camera face, making it blend seamlessly into any environment. Plus, it's weatherproof with an IP66 rating, so you can use it indoors or outdoors without worry. Setting up the C120 is a breeze. All you need is the Tapo app on your phone. Once you've got that installed, simply follow the step-by-step instructions to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. I had mine up and running in just a few minutes. Now, let's talk about performance. The C120 delivers sharp 2K video quality, even in low light conditions. With its Starlight sensor and Color Pro night vision technology, you get clear, detailed footage day or night. Plus, it has built-in spotlights that can automatically turn on when motion is detected, adding an extra layer of security to your home. One of the standout features of the C120 is its intelligent motion detection. It can differentiate between people, pets, vehicles, and other motion events, so you only get notified when it matters. And with options for local or cloud storage, you can choose the storage solution that works best for you. But it's not just about security with the C120. It also supports voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So you can easily view the live stream on your smart display or even integrate it into your smart home routines. Overall, I've been really impressed with the TP-Link Tapo C120. It offers a ton of features usually only found on more expensive models, all at an affordable price point. Whether you're looking for indoor or outdoor security, this camera has you covered. And that wraps up our review of the TP-Link Tapo Indoor Outdoor Home Security Wi-Fi Camera C120. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.